Oh, baby, she's some kind of wonderful idea. She's some kind of wonderful, not even witty, but she's some kind of sweet loving woman.
Okay, wait 1 second. Hold on. What? Donovan, Squawk, squawk, squawk. I'm just a little confused as to why you just did that.
Oh, the big riff there at the end? I don't know, they kind of liked it, right? Wow, they loved it, huh?
That's just not how we end the song.
You know, Josh, you're right. You're exactly right.
Yeah.
We usually ended it with everybody.
All 5 guys, man.
Not just one person.
Not
No, I was
5.
really hogging the spotlight, wasn't I?
You kind of were,
Boy,
man.
you know, the next thing you know, I'm going to be stopping us in the middle of a song and going to flirt with half the women in the audience. So, I mean, thanks for keeping me in line, buddy. Why don't you do a riff and you end the song like you end all the other ones, and everything will be fine.
Alright, hold on guys, I'm sensing a lot of passive-aggressive tension here. And by the way, Donovan, I think this table over here might want you to stop the middle of the song and flirt with half the ladies in the audience. But that's just them. But you know what? Let's solve this how all real men solve all of their problems. With a riff-off. A riff-off? Yeah?
Well, I mean, I don't like competition, so...
Well, you don't like competition?
Uh-huh.
Well, guess what? We're doing a rip-off now. Okay?
All right.
Okay, Donovan?
Okay.
You brought this on yourself, bro.
Yes, I did.
Yo, Duchess. This one's for you. There she's my loving Duchess!
Wow. Duchess! Okay, Josh, hey man, that was amazing. I don't think I could have done that. Could have done that. Definitely not.
What did you just say?
Couldn't have done that.
You could have done
No,
that.
that was amazing.
Okay, now you're just being facetious. It's a big word, I know. But I know you can sing really well. You could have done that, man.
Not the hip thrust, that was awesome. I mean, but hey, I did like how you held that long note at the end.
Are you being
I
for
did,
real?
no, that was really cool.
You're not messing with me?
No, it was great.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, in fact, it was so great. It inspired me.
What?
To do one.
No, we're doing one apiece. We're done now. No more.
I said a sweet guys, where's Josh?
Oh, there he is. I see his bandana.
Oh, Josh, all right, Josh, come on out, man. I apologize. Josh, I'm gonna come clean. I set you up. I did it on purpose.
I know you set me up, you vocal ninja.
Okay, Josh, let's let bygones be bygones. Let's do one together. What do you guys think? Yeah?
No. It's not gonna happen. It can't happen. That was the only riff that I knew. So.
No, Josh, a riff, you make it up, man.
What did you just say?
A riff, you make it up on the spot.
You're telling me that you make your riffs up on the spot?
Yeah, just
I wrote my riff 3 years ago, so...
Okay, well, Josh, you just need some inspiration, I think.
I don't have any inspiration. I'm just gonna quit music. I'm just gonna quit music. No more music for
That's
me.
a bit overdramatic. Okay, Josh, you just need some inspiration.
I don't have any. You crushed my
No,
inspiration.
you have a ton of inspiration. And there's, see? I think there's one inspiration in particular that, you know, there's more than enough from, she took the right out.
My Duchess.
Yes, your Duchess.
I see where you're going with this, man. Donovan, wow, man, I never pegged you as like a matchmaker. This is all to set me up with my Duchess again. You just think that I should take the love that I have for you, Sandy, and the love that Sandy has for me, put put that love in my throat. And then you and I will sing together and produce the most beautiful riff, baby, you've ever seen. Co-parents.
Just cut it off, man. This is for you, baby. Uno, dos, tres.